In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a status on WhatsApp web. In our modern, fast-paced world, staying connected with friends, family, and colleagues has never been more important. WhatsApp, with its easy-to-use interface, allows users to share moments of their lives not just through texts, but through the status feature as well. You might already be familiar with posting statuses on your mobile device, but did you know you can also do this from the convenience of your computer through WhatsApp web? So let's dive into the steps to post a status on WhatsApp web, ensuring your moments can be shared no matter what device you're using. Firstly, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Type in the web address for WhatsApp, which is web.whatsapp.com, and hit enter. You'll be greeted with a QR code, which you'll need to scan using the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. This links your mobile account to your web session, seamlessly syncing all your chats and allowing you to use WhatsApp directly from your computer. Once logged in, you'll notice a familiar interface if you've used WhatsApp web before. To proceed, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see various icons representing different functionalities of WhatsApp. Locate the status icon. It's typically symbolized by a circle, which might remind you of a camera lens. Click on this icon to access the status posting feature. Upon clicking the status icon, your screen will present an option saying, "Click to add status update." It's quite intuitive. As suggested, click on this area to begin crafting your status. Whether it's a snippet of text, a photo, or a video, this is where your status begins its journey from thought to visibility. For this example, let's focus on posting a text status. After clicking to add a status update, look for the option labeled text. Selecting this option allows you to type out whatever is on your mind. Maybe it's an inspirational quote you stumbled across, a funny thought, or simply wishing your contacts a good day. The choice is yours. Now, type your desired status. WhatsApp web offers various formatting options, allowing you to customize your status to reflect your personality. You can choose different background colors and font styles, and even add emojis to bring your status to life. Once you're satisfied with your crafted message, it's time to share it with your world, or at least with your WhatsApp contacts. Look for the send icon, usually represented by a paper plane. Clicking on this icon will immediately post your status. Congratulations, you've just shared a part of your day with friends and family through WhatsApp web. And just like that, you've navigated through the process of posting a status on WhatsApp web. It's a simple feature that can have a profound impact, allowing us to stay connected and share moments of our lives, no matter where we are or what device we're using. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your WhatsApp web experience. 1. Always ensure your internet connection is stable before starting. This ensures a smooth, frustration-free experience. 2. Regularly update both your WhatsApp mobile application and your web browser. Updates often carry improvements and new features that enrich your overall experience. 3. Remember, statuses disappear after 24 hours, mirroring the ephemeral nature of our daily experiences. So, feel free to share freely, knowing that what you post isn't permanent. 4. For privacy, WhatsApp allows you to control who sees your statuses. This setting is managed from your mobile device under the privacy options within WhatsApp settings. In conclusion, WhatsApp Web's status feature is a splendid tool for real-time sharing, ideal for when you're working on your computer and want to remain engaged with your mobile contacts. The seamless integration between mobile and web makes WhatsApp a versatile platform for communication and sharing, irrespective of your device preference. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're announcing something important, sharing a piece of your day, or simply expressing yourself, now you know how to do it from the comfort of your computer. Stay connected and share away.